We're gonna be bending this wheel again because it rubs on the frame. It's gonna be hard to show it with this mounted cam. The light is messed up out here. You think the brighter it is, the better? Nope. Anyways, you can see the tire is completely bald right here from hitting the frame. I'm gonna straighten it with the hammer. I've already done this about 3 times. You just can't go too crazy. More. You can see the tires about to blow up on the side. These are brand new Kevlar tires. Oop. Trying to watch the camera at the same time. Make sure I get the Mexican wheel straightening technique. But hey, I've already put about 150 miles on it like this with this wheel. I haven't even put the new one on. I actually already got the wheel. I'm just seeing how long I can keep this one going. The dirt is so messed up that I can't even spin the wheel. The dirt in my backyard is so hard that I can use the kickstand. So yeah, it's very hard. It's falling over. Look at that. We call that a nigger nightmare. You know, YouTube wouldn't even let me put nigger in my title as a, this is the world we're living in. They control everything we do. I wanted to say nigger rigged, which everyone says. I even spelt nigger differently because I know how these people act and how they think, their political correctness. And my video, they didn't flag it. They wouldn't even let me put the title. It changes the title, the AI. See, this angle sucks because the sun. But this is the only way the kickstand will stand up because we're in the fucking Matrix, man. No, I'm just being harassed every day. When you're born with a big dick, a big brain,